Industrial explosions remain among the most devastating incidents that can occur within hazardous environments. While modern controls have improved, the consequences of a single failure remain catastrophic. Loss of life, severe injuries, and substantial financial losses continue to remind us that explosion prevention must remain a top priority for every industry professional. Contrary to popular belief, these disasters rarely result from a single error. Instead, they typically develop through a chain of events where hazards are underestimated and safety controls are compromised. At the heart of prevention lies a simple principle: the explosion triangle. For an explosion to occur, you need an ignition source, a flammable substance, and sufficient oxygen. If engineers can effectively control or eliminate any one of these three elements, the conditions for an explosion no longer exist. This is the foundation of hazardous area management. This principle underpins ATEX compliance. While often associated with equipment markings, ATEX represents a far broader, systematic approach to safety. It's about identifying explosive atmospheres, assessing risks, and ensuring safe operational practices throughout the entire life cycle of a facility. Numerous sectors operate under these risks. Oil and gas facilities handle highly flammable hydrocarbons, while refineries process volatile liquids daily. Chemical plants work with reactive substances, and even pharmaceutical production involves combustible powders that require strict management. Grain handling and food processing also face significant risks from combustible dust, a hazard that is too often underestimated. Investigations often reveal similar causes for failure. One of the most common is incorrect hazardous area classification, leading to inappropriate equipment installation. The use of non-certified equipment is another recurring factor. Standard gear can generate sparks or temperatures capable of igniting flammable substances. Static electricity is a hidden challenge. The transfer of liquids and powders can generate electrostatic charges that may discharge suddenly without proper grounding. Without adequate grounding and bonding arrangements, these charges can provide more than enough energy to ignite an explosive atmosphere. Maintenance deficiencies also feature prominently. Damaged glands, deteriorated seals, or corroded enclosures can all compromise your protection measures. Hot work, like welding or grinding, remains a major source of risk. Without rigorous permits and gas monitoring, routine tasks can escalate rapidly. Human factors are critical. Personnel who lack training may fail to recognize hazards, while weak safety cultures can encourage dangerous shortcuts. Combustible dust deserves special attention. Industries handling grain, sugar, or wood have seen devastating secondary explosions from airborne dust. Effective prevention requires far more than documented procedures. Success depends on operational discipline and a proactive commitment at every level. Certified ATEX and IECX equipment is essential. Engineers must ensure selection aligns with the specific zone, classification, and environmental conditions. Reliable gas detection provides another vital layer of defense, identifying hazardous atmospheres before they reach dangerous concentrations. Routine inspection and integrity management programs are equally important to identify defects before they compromise safety performance. Perhaps most importantly, organizations must invest in workforce training. Every individual should understand the risks and recognize their role in prevention. Before starting any work, verify that the hazardous zone is correctly identified and that all equipment and static protections are fully operational. The true goal is preventing the conditions that allow incidents to develop. This requires vigilance, leadership, and a culture that prioritizes safety. Explosion prevention is an essential responsibility shared by everyone. Thinking ATEX and acting safely is the most effective path to protecting lives. Protecting your people, assets, and operations starts with a commitment to excellence. Visit hazeng.com for more engineering solutions.